Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Alright, now this is for the bottom layer. Put in 1 mango, just chop it up. Then put in half a cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of honey. Yum. And a couple of large ice cubes. Put the lid on and blend for about 60 seconds. Now just pour this to about halfway, so this is the bottom layer. Yummaroni. Now pour this into as many glasses as you want until it's all gone, and then clean the blender, and then we'll start with the top layer. Now for the top layer, get 1 banana and chop it up. Get 10 large strawberries. Put in 1 tablespoon of lime juice and a couple of large ice cubes. Put the lid on and blend this for about 60 seconds. Now to pour the top layer on, I just poured it into this just so it's a little easier to pour.
Yum. Simple cooking, simple cooking.